Section 2.5, problem 55. They're asking us to solve each inequality and expression and express the solution set using interval notation. So here we have to distribute the 5 into everything inside the parentheses, and the same thing with the -6. Therefore we have 5 times x, it's 5x. 5 times -4, it's -20. -6 times x, it's -6x. And -6 times 2, it's -12. Oh, everything is less than 4. Now let's combine like terms. So 5x minus 6x is -x, and -20 minus 12, it's -32, less than 4. Now we have to isolate the x, so we have to add 32 to both sides. So we have -x is less than 4 plus 32, which is 36. Now we have to leave x completely by itself, so we have to divide by -1 to get rid of the negative. So once you divide or multiply by a negative and you have an inequality, the sign changes. So now it's going to be greater than. 36 divided by -1 is -36. Okay. So you have to put it in interval notation, but if it is hard for you to see it this way, you can always do a number line and graph it. So you have -36. So you have all numbers greater than -36. That means that it's going to be all numbers to the right, or the positive numbers. And when you read it as interval notation, you always start reading from left to right. So we have -36 comma infinity. Notice that we use parentheses here because we have a sign that is greater than. We have to use parentheses. So we use parentheses when we have one of these signs, and we use brackets when we have one of these signs.